Hey guys, um, this is Stephanie and Abram, and we're going to be doing the elephant toothpaste experiment. So we'll go ahead and get it set up. Abram, you want to help me? Okay. Can you pour some of this in here?
Oh, okay.
Here, hand me this. All right, pour just a little, okay?
Water?
That's good. No, this is peroxide.
Huh?
So we're putting the peroxide in. We're going to put just a couple of drops. Let Mama do this one. Of dish soap. And then I'm going to let you picked out the red food coloring, so you put the red food coloring in it.
Okay.
Hang on, let me unscrew it.
I want to do it.
You can do it. Okay. Put just a little in. Okay. There you go. Squeeze it. Did you squeeze it? There it goes. All right, good job.
It makes red.
Yeah, it's red, right?
Hey, Papa, it makes red.
All right, so now we're going to get our yeast.
I want to do it.
You can do it. You can help, okay? Here, can you pour it in this cup? Pour it out.
I want to do it.
Hang on. Mama did this part. So we've got our warm water to activate our yeast.
Water?
Back up, please.
It's water on this?
Yeah, it's got water. And so the yeast is going to act as a catalyst, which is used to speed up a reaction. It's going to quickly break apart the oxygen from the hydrogen peroxide.
I want to see it.
And because it does this very fast, it's going to create a lot of bubbles.
Hey,
Hang
Mama.
on.
Papa, let me see it.
Hang on. Hang on. Try and get the right consistency. So it says you only have to do this for about 30 seconds.
It makes it go red.
Hang on. Back up, please.
It go in the red.
Yeah, it's going to go in the red, okay? This should be also an exothermic reaction, meaning it's going to create heat as well as the bubbles. And then the foam it produces should just be water, soap, and oxygen. So we're going to mix this and let it sit for a few seconds. Yeah, and here in just a second, you're going to be able to pour it in, okay? Let me mix this around too. And this is 3% hydrogen peroxide solution. So I don't know if we should use the funnel. Okay, I'm
Can it go up there?
No, we're going to make elephant toothpaste. This isn't a rocket today, okay?
I got a red on it.
Yeah, it's okay. All right, help me pour it. We're going to pour it in, okay? Look. Look. See here. You see it? What do you think?
It's going.
Yeah. See all the tiny bubbles it's producing? Making a mess, isn't it?
It's making
Yeah, it's making a mess.
It's going down.
Yeah, it's going down. It's called elephant toothpaste.
Let me touch it.
No, it's safe to touch if it's the 3% peroxide, but let's just not touch it just yet. We'll touch it when we clean it up, okay?
What's in there?
Yeah. Great job,
Can
Abram.
you see in there?
Mm-hmm. So we're going to recap. We put these in with the peroxide and soap solution. The yeast acted as a catalyst, which speeded up the reaction. and broke apart the oxygen from the
again.
hydrogen peroxide. And it created a lot of bubbles. You want to touch it? You can touch it. Just don't lick it. All right. Good job.
How to wash that